were ordered to load the fuel again onto the trucks. That when he reached there, Corporal Alex, whether there was a convoy at the gate. The MTO. It is our submission that none of the testimonies of the accused persons, I beg your pardon, Kasule Budala, that he did not authorize the vehicle to be released to Lance Corporal Kasule. Then it goes to the security officer who briefs and debriefs the soldiers. On cross-examination, the witness was asked whether he participated in the siphoning from the generator.
The accused person is conspired with another by organizing an operational racket intended to sell UPDF fuel in Muqdisho town for personal interest. Therefore, our B goes to misusing other supplies for personal interest. When you
drove to Muqdisho town and entered into a garage, it was instructed by A1.
The prosecution has proved all the ingredients of personal interest endangering operational efficiency beyond reasonable doubt. Now, you, the accused persons, are hereby convicted of the charges against you, and this conviction is given under my hand and seal this day, the 15th day of August 2016. This means you are convicted as charged.
He was driving a Mercedes-Benz Atego lorry, RA 059541, on the instructions of the MTO, who was Major Sulait Saif, that as a sub-major, his job is to effect whatever effect and wait for further orders. We've proved beyond reasonable doubt that Private Tebejuka Expedito,
Major Sulait Saifu, you are hereby sentenced to 3 years imprisonment and dismissal with disgrace from the UPDF. Major Kundu Weyaula, you are sentenced to 1 year imprisonment and reduction in the rank from the rank of major to a captain. Staff Sergeant Abbott Richard, you are sentenced to 18 months imprisonment and reduction in rank from staff sergeant to sergeant. The sentences that military courts give out to soldiers who have committed crimes is a deterrent sentence. It's a sentence that sends message to the rest of the military personnel, whether back home in the country or in any other mission out of the country, is a message that goes to the soldiers and the officers of the UPDF that you do a bad thing, then you face the law, and you face it very harshly. And I confirm this to you and confirm again that that is the ruling of this court.